Okay, this is the kit you're going to need for a Bulgarian bag. You need a couple of bags of sand, a little scoop thing to put it in, some super glue, about 4 cable ties, a pair of scissors, and a car inner tube. And you can get a car inner tube online, or sometimes you can get them actually from a tire repair place. Let's get started. Okay, step 1, cut out the valve. Right, tie off one end about as much as you can get a grip of. Pull the cable tie pretty tight, and then you're going to pour glue into here. Okay, the clip is on, the glue is on, and it's taped up to make a handle. Now we'll get this end, open it up, and fill it with sand. So, bag is full, get the other end, cable tie it, glue it, tape it. And that's it, one Bulgarian bag made, both handles tied. Put these little bits here just to give it a little bit more support so it doesn't all bellow up in there. Squats, round the world, swing type movements, have at it.